Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on the application of Truecaller. Here we go to settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about Truecaller and you will click. Here in this page of app unfold, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store and you will update your app, so please don't forget.